Hello guys! Nandito na ako sa harap ng SAS. Nandito na ako sa Aarhus Airport na. Stig na. Ayun. Next time guys, see you London. Yes. I want to go travel soon. By the way guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that bawas. I'm so happy that I will go home. I'm so excited and I need to start a new life. Yes. And you know what is my dreams, right? To be a gown designer or any kind of design. I will design how to make draw. Joke lang. Okay, guys. Sexy ko, no? Grabe, artista yan. Hi nga pala sa Pilipinas. Hello, Philippines. Hello, Pandanhanon. See you in Pandan. Yes. And I want to say thank you to Auntie Vivian. Thank you to all of her help. And Jam Jam. Thank you, Jam. Alam ko na you always there for me to help. Yeah. Especially Janine. And I hope that you can help me. Not always, but I know this is the last that I will ask help because next time, ako naman ang magtitreat sa inyo. So, no all. Ayun, kay Ante, thank you so much. At para sa anak ko, see you in London. Mama, love you so much. Okay? Bye! God bless you all, guys.